Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel, and in this video we're talking about how to use Gemini TTS. So there are two ways to get Gemini to speak. So firstly, it's a listen shortcut. After Gemini generates a response, you can look for the speaker icon at the top of the message. So in my case, as you can see, I have some chats here and there, and in order to listen to this text, I can go three dots and then press on listen. And then it will pretty much read me the text of the response that it gave me. Also guys, in this year, this uses the Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS engine, which supports over 70 languages and follows your instructions for tone, like asking it to read in a somber tone or with a British accent. And something that's kind of revolutionary this year is the live mode, so it's called Gemini Live. So you can click the waveform icon. Let me see if there's that button in the beginning. Yeah, there you go. This icon right over here. In the bottom corner of the app, and this isn't just reading text, it's a real-time voice mode where you can interrupt Gemini mid-sentence and just in general talk to him. And yeah, that's pretty much how you can do this. You can just stop reading and start listening and talking, of course. If this guide helps you unlock Gemini's voice, hit like and subscribe.